Hi, I tried to show you today how you're gonna make one sketch of two vanishing points, It's very simple, I make something very simple to you can control very easy, alright? First you need to do is, in the middle of your paper, you make one vertical line, like that, in the middle of your paper, and then divide this line in three, because we give it 3 meters high of the living room. In the middle of your 3 meters, is here. You see the half of 3 meters, 150. You make one line, okay, to cross both sides of the paper. All right. And after that, you decide where you want to put your vanishing point. Okay, I will put one vanishing point maybe on here, one, and on maybe here, second, and then project, from your vanishing point to your ceiling, to the floor of your living room, and then another to the top of the ceiling, and the same you do again, go like this to the top of the wall and to the bottom of the wall, and now we have the two walls of the living room, all right? Because that is 3 meters, you're gonna see like this. If you apply 4, because it's a little bit more, we put it on there, you see, a little bit more. And the same, you see? But anyway, I don't measure, I do with my eyes, you see, like that, you put it on here. Okay? And then, from the vanishing point, you project this line to the front, and you project this line, you see? I moved, yes, no, like that, to the front. And now I have the floor of my living room 4 by 4 by 3 meters high, all right? What I will do now is divide this big square, all right, in more square, to give me, in the end, give me 4 square here, 4 square here. It's another method to you put all the line here, but it's too complicated. And when you draw, like in a underground, in the bus or something, you can have the idea where is the size, and you need to project your line and your reference by eyes, okay? If I divide this square in 4, it's very simple. I only need to go for one corner to another corner, diagonal line, and where the line is crossed, you see it's crossed on here, that gives me the center in perspective of this square. I only need to go to my vanishing point here, you see, like that, and cut it, and from here, and now I have 4 square, but because that is 4 by 4, this is 2 and 2. I divide this square, this in more square, okay? I do the same. I go here, you see I got the line already there, and I go like that, diagonal line, and it gives me this center here. I divide that, it gives me this center here, I divide that, this gives me this center here, and I divide, go that here, and it gives me here, and I have now 4 reference of this one. From my vanishing point, the same, I go here, and connect it, and from here, you see, connected and connected, okay? And the last one. You see, now I have 4 by 4 meters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can divide that in the same way. If I want to make a square of 50, it's simple. I only need to divide that again, and from here, you see, and from here, and I have 2, but I don't want to make too many tiles because this will be very confused from recorder, you know, and I want you see that very clear. Okay, what happened is, we will make one sofa of 3 meters wide, big one, all right? So you can see very, very, very clear. The same I do here, you know, remember here? I divide that tile in 2, and I divide that tile in 2, you see? Okay, because I take 50 from here, you see, 50 from here, and 50 from here. I got now 1 meter, 2 meters, 50, 50, 3 meters, all right? And from the back, always, you need to project everything from the back. You make one vertical line up, This will look like a Posca vertical line. Okay, this is the back vertical line of the sofa, you know? The sofa normally is approximately 70 to 1 meter high, no? But we make one of 90 because that is one, remember the reference? 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. We make like this, okay? And from the vanishing point, you see, okay? Ooh, you know, coming here and make one line, okay? This is the back of the sofa. And when you have this line, you need to think how high you want to sit. Start to be comfortable about 40 centimeters high, okay? We will say 40, no? Because that is 90, 40 can be here. You need to calculate that by eyes anyway, but it's not difficult. Okay, vanishing point there. And then you coming from your vanishing point like that, you see? Oh, sorry, like that. And oh, approximately, okay? This can be, you can move it if you like, you know, if you are not happy. Of course, it's a little bit uncomfortable to draw in this position, no? Because you like to draw like this, no? But anyway, I like you see what I do. When you got that, no, the height of the sofa and the height of the seat of the sofa, then from this vanishing point, you project, you know, you see it's coming like that, yeah? This side, this face, and the other face. And in here, because this is we say sofa can be 120 deep, no? But 1 meter is fine, no? Because I like you don't see too many lines and confuse you. Because this is 1 meter, remember the line of 1 meter here? I made one vertical here, and I made one vertical here, okay? And now, from there, you see, I connecting 2 lines. And I have now the front of the sofa. I rub that so you can see more clear, okay? Now I have my sofa, all right? What we do now is make divide that, okay? Imagine, I will put here the line to put the arms, you know, because that is the height. If I divide that in 2, you know, in here, and I put here where you put your arms, the same on here, divide that in 2 and put your arms there, okay? And then I go down to the sofa, down to the sofa. You see, if that coming here is giving me this reference, and then I make the thickness. The thickness of that is about to you, no? I put it like this, and I put it like this. You see, that lines go there, that lines go there, and then vertical line, you know, and that go there. This is back to there, you see, and I cut this, okay? Okay, when you have this, to make your life more easy, I will put only 2 cushions, 2 big cushions, the same, because that is the center of the sofa you see here. I go with this line up, vertical, and then back, you see, and I have here now one big cushion and one big cushion. From this side, I decide how thick is where I want to sit, and I decide about this, you know, and then it's coming there, you know, you see, like that. You see that is go there, and then I separate this. You see, this is coming here, and for you can see easy, I rub at the middle, and I rub at the middle. Okay, you see the sofa, and I put some cushion so you can see that more interested. Okay, one cushion here, one in this position, one cushion here. I can put more. The only thing is, if I draw many things, then you will be confused with too many lines. Okay, let me draw like this. We will make the base that support the cushion, you know, like this. Okay, and we put a leg so you can see. I know it's not very good, but it's not very beautiful. But anyway, I want you to see the leg where you can put, you know. You can see easy. Anyway, in here is coming back like that, and I clean that for you, so you can see that easy. All right. Okay. Maybe I leave it that clear, because I like you confused. It's very difficult to draw in this position. Okay. We will put in front of the sofa a very big coffee table, okay? Normally, more modern is the living room, and more big, of course. The coffee table is very big, no? Because the sofa is very big, no? We will put some big coffee table. You see, I have here 4 square, that is 4 meters, no? What you can do when you make a sketch is, in that big square, make like a frame, no? Like when you draw a frame, no? But make this side of the frame more small. But if you like to control, for example, like I say to you, you only need to go here, no? And cut that, you know? That go there, okay? And then you have the half of this, but include it if you want to only put 25 from the sofa, divide 1, and then you have, you see, the half of this. But this is in case if you want to control the line. For example, if I want to put my coffee table 50 wide, that is about that much from the sofa, is half of this, no? I make one line here, and from there, you know, the same. This is the half of this, you see, remember? And this is coming from there. You see, I made one line there. And the same, you see, in here I cut that. You see, this is the center. It's coming from here. And from there, you see, this is the other one. And that gives me this. This will be one table of 1 by 1. That is nice. It's very big anyway. You can put bigger, but anyway, we will put something that you can understand. You see, it looks like a frame inside of one frame, no? When you have this, when you decide the size of your table, you only need to make vertical line up, 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 up. You see, the line, that will be the leg of your coffee table. We need to put the coffee table, normally is the same height of where you sit, no? If I go with this line back to my sofa, you see, and touch the sofa and go up to the top of the seat, you see here, I got the height of the sofa. And then I only need to go from the vanishing point, touch that, and project in the vertical line, you see? And I got now, okay, this is the line, you see the line? And then this is connecting with the other vertical line, and this from there, you see, is coming there, and this is coming there. I will clean the top, because I like you are not to be confused, okay? you see, this is the top of the coffee table. You see? And then I rub at this line that I use it to control the height of I want, you know? And also I rub at this. If you have any problem because it's too many lines, you can stop the video and see how is the process 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, no? But anyway, you're gonna see now the coffee table, okay? We will make like that one line back to make, for example, a glass coffee table like this. You see? Okay. In the back of this sofa, we will put a very big painted, you know? You see, we go to the end of the sofa and make one vertical, the end of the sofa and make one vertical, you know? And from there, you know, we cut like this, and we cut like this. You see? Normally, in living room, when you put a picture, in one other video, I will explain what is the best, no? To where you can put it. If it's something can be abstract painted, but you have many options, no? But anyway, it's because I don't want to put too many lines. We will put it here only something very sad. The sea and calm. This is not good for living room. But anyway, I like you are you can see the picture, no? With something. No, you see, like this little house is in the beach, and you go there to be alone. Some people in the beach. Okay? Anyway. In here, we will put 2 little lamps, okay? But I don't put in the other side because I don't want to, you know, confuse you so much. Because that is 50 and 50 is, you know, something like this, that is bigger, you know. We make here exactly 150 by 50 table. Okay, you see, I make the square and then project up vertical line, and in the same, you see the same height. When you go here and you go like that, you touch that and you have the same height of your this is coming like this. This is the height. You see the line, the back. Oh my God. It's a little bit difficult to draw in this position, but anyway, I hope it's not confuse you. You see, I got the coffee table there. We divide with, you know, with the diagonal line and make one straight line up, okay? Make here the lamp, okay? And in here we put the screen. If it's like this, or if you make a little bit more like that, and you have the lamp, okay? You see? Normally you need to put another one there, but I don't put it because it's too many lines, okay? In front, in the floor, you know, of this sofa, we can take it the half of every tiles and make one line. You see the line there? Oop, oh my God. Go back, and we make here, you see, like this coming from there, big rack here. You see, it's like make one frame in there, okay? And I rubber that so you can see the rack, okay? The same. In another video, we will talk about what's more convenient, rack with design from living room. You can see is we make it one sofa with lamp and coffee table and rack. But anyway, because we have this wall here empty, if you like to make here, we can make here a big door to the other rooms, okay? We made one door of 2 meters wide, no, by 2 meters high, okay? Because remember, this is one square. You see, one square tiles. We only need to go up. You see, 1 square, 2 square, up, and we need to go 2 meters is about the height of the table, and then with the vanishing point, you see like that, okay? And we make the thickness of this and the thickness of the ceiling, of the top of the doors. If you know, because that is the line of the rooms, and if the room is about the same, this line is go there, and we can cut here, so you can see the space easy. Okay. Another room, we leave it empty because too many lines you probably confuse. Okay, we put it here. One small picture. I know this is very big picture, but if we put here long picture, and in here the same, we put the same height of the door, but long one, because it's supposed to be one very modern living room. Okay, I rubber that, and you can see how simple it is, you know, to make two vanishing point perspective freehands that you can do at anywhere, you know, when you are in the bar or bus stop, in the underground, in some place, and you have some idea and you need to, you know, return to later when you are in your studio, you can make more perfect. Okay, anyway, I hope you like it, and we will work with more technical things for interior design drawing. Okay, goodbye.